In this video, we're going to be making an improvisation using octaves in both hands on the white keys. Both hands have octaves on the white keys. Now, the left hand is going to have broken octaves, and the right hand is going to have block, and we're going to stay in tandem. So the D's are together, and the E's are together, the G's are together, etc. So does it mean that you're playing them together? It could. It could be something like this. That was a little tricky, right? But it could be something sort of aggravated like that. But it could be something that's very steady and beautiful. With little pauses. It's a pretty dramatic sound. There's no harmony per se. With this, I'm just alternating back and forth. But I could do other patterns. I could do bottom, top, top, bottom. Notice I'm changing the tempo. I'm speeding up. I'm slowing down. Sometimes it's more connected. Sometimes I'm accenting things. Because there's the note material is very, very simple, and so to get some variety, it's good to sort of stretch the tempo, play with some rubato, use different touches, get creative with it. Now, I could create some sort of 3 pattern: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Instead of being bottom, top, bottom, it could be top, bottom, top. So it'd be like, create a rhythm. If I took it down, that's pretty interesting. It suggests a lot of excitement and drama and anticipation, right? You could also do grace notes. So it might be something like, have a little broken record quality to the end there. The grace note could go the other way. Now, we could break these two and then hit that, so we're constantly going back and forth, so something like this. Create some rhythm there to cap off the phrase. I like that idea. I like going back and forth. Yeah, that's a really fun quality. Now I could go up through the 2 tones and the block octave and strike and come back down. And then switch over. So it's dramatic, it's lean, it's visceral, it's very kind of muscular. It only suggests sort of the A natural minor scale or C major scale, but essentially there's no harmony. So you're using other tools to keep it interesting and engrossing as a piece of music. So hope you have fun with that.